Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Heroku for deploying no-code app backends, full guide step-by-step clearly. Visit the Heroku website at www.heroku.com. Click on the Get Started for Free button. You will be redirected to the sign up page. Enter your email address in the designated field. Create a secure password that meets the required criteria. Re-enter your password to confirm it. Fill in your name in the provided field. Select your country from the drop-down menu. Click on the Create Free Account button. Check your email for a confirmation request from Heroku. Open the email and click the confirmation link to verify your account. You'll be prompted to log in to your new Heroku account. Use the email and password you just created. Once logged in, you will be taken to the Heroku dashboard. On the dashboard, click on the Create New App button. Choose a unique name for your app. Select the region closest to your target audience. Click the Create App button to finalize your app setup. Now, you will see your app's dashboard. From here, you can navigate to the Deploy tab. Choose your preferred deployment method. For no-code app backends, consider selecting the Connect to GitHub option. Follow the prompts to link your GitHub account. Authorize Heroku to access your GitHub repositories. Once connected, select the repository containing your no-code app backend. Review your configuration settings on the deployment page. Click on the Deploy Branch button to initiate the deployment process. Monitor the deployment logs for any messages or updates. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.